All right, guys. So in this tutorial, I will explain the auto follow module of socialgains.io. And as the name already reveals to you guys, the auto follow module pretty much allows you to follow people, target people in your niche, in your target audience, using the software SocialGains and automate the process and let it run 24/7. So how this works really is once you add your Instagram account, you will see it right here. When you click on auto follow on the module, you will see this right here. And all you got to do is click on the account username. It's pretty straightforward. It's really easy, right? And it gives you three different options, right? You can either, and by the way, you can use all these options together, but you can, let me explain it each individually right here. So you can either target people by hashtags, by places, or people. People as in other usernames on Instagram, other users on Instagram. So for example, if you target people based on hashtags, what the software will do is it will go out there and search for people who have posted using specific hashtags. And if you use hashtags that are related to what you post on Instagram, meaning that are related to your niche and your target audience, that's a perfect way to find like-minded people, meaning people that you actually target and that you want to check out your Instagram account, right? And with this software, you can target these people and follow these people 24/7, right? So for example, let's say you have an account in the, in the motivation niche, right? If you type in motivation right here, what it will do is it will give you suggestions right here of hashtags that are popular in the motivation niche, right? So for example, it will also show you the number of public posts it has. As you can see right here, it suggests motivational quotes, Motivation Monday, motivational videos, motivation 100, motivation quotes. And it will also, of course, let you just use the actual hashtag that you typed in, right? So let's do this right here for this example. Let's say we wanted to do places. This is pretty obvious. You can just type in the place that you want to target people. So for example, from New York, or Manhattan, New York, Brooklyn, New York. And then you go to people and you can target specific people, right? So for example, you type in Tai Lopez right here. It will show up his Instagram account, as you can see right here. And yeah, what this mix would do right now is it will target everyone who posted a picture using the hashtag motivation in Brooklyn, New York, and who is also interested in Tai Lopez, right? So this allows you to target people based on what they're interested in, right? So obviously you can also do it with, you don't have to use all of them. So you don't have to use a place, for example. You could only target people who are interested in motivation and Tai Lopez, right? And what you then want to do is you want to choose a speed that you want to follow people with. We of course recommend automatic. But you can choose whatever speed you want pretty much, right? And don't worry, all of the speeds right here, it doesn't matter. It will never go above the limit that Instagram has when it comes to like banning accounts and stuff. So you're 100% safe, right? It's just different kinds of speed, but even the very fast speed is still not too fast for Instagram, if that makes sense. So then what you want to do is you want to click active. And what you could then do is you could set it to pause actions every day. So that's good if you, for example, want to only follow people from for example, like 1 p.m. to like 6 p.m. If you know that's where most people you're targeting are active. If you don't care about stuff like this, you can just leave this right here. And then all you do is click save. And what it now will do is it will actually follow people. And the way you see if it actually successfully followed people is you go to activity log, right? Here you can see yesterday I actually had it running and I followed a bunch of people that were with the test account right here that were engaging with the account Addicted to Success. And don't worry about this thing right here. This sometimes happens. Activity has been stopped. No response from server. This is when you have to like re-log into your account, but this doesn't happen all the time. So yeah. So what you can do with this, guys, is you can really follow people who are highly engaged with specific accounts and hashtags, which will then later on check you out because you are following them. So yeah, this is pretty much it when it comes to following right here with Social Gains. In the next video, I will explain the auto like function. So be sure to check this out as well.